Good morning, gentlemen. I'm going to show you how to install and configure the TechDocsScraper. Go ahead and go to the C folders application for your customer. Click on I agree. Now you're going to type in the username. And I'm just going to cut and paste the password because it's kind of complicated. Most important thing you've got to remember is click on remember your credentials, or it'll be remember your password depending upon the version of Windows. Go ahead and click OK. And we're in the application. Now click log out. And now we're going to go ahead and go to Proxity. I believe that's what it's called. Hold on, let me find out. Give me a sec. Yeah, there we go. TechDocs, missing an S. And we're going to go ahead and start the download. Then I'm going to open the folder. I'm going to go ahead and open the tech.zip file, and I'm going to go ahead and double click on setup. And here's the setup app. I have multiple screens, gentlemen, so I apologize that I have to keep moving stuff. Go ahead and click on next, click on next, click on next, and let it install. Click on close. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to the start button. It's on another screen. Hold on a minute. Yeah. Go to the start button. Under Proxity. Oh, this is a pain, guys. Sorry about that. I think I also have it on the desktop. Yeah, I created a desktop shortcut right here. So just go ahead and double click on it. And I'm going to move everything over so you can see it. Type in the username, very end, page 47CL6. I'm going to go ahead and browse to a folder that I've created, but it doesn't matter. You can do any folder you want. This is where the documents are going to be contained. Click on OK, and click on Set Keys. And as you can see, it's running and automatically logging in. And it's starting to download files. And I'll go ahead and put this in the background for a minute. And I'll take you over to shut down some of these windows. They're not needed anymore. You go to the D drive, go to TechDocs. You can see that files are starting to be downloaded. I've got some in here that have been previously downloaded. And the scraper is actively running, downloading the files into this folder. And that is basically all there is to it. I'll go ahead and shut it off. And it's just the solicitation number and the date. That's all there is to it, gentlemen. Thank you so much for your time.